Hey guys, so I am back finally after 1 month as I was so busy with all those busy schedules and everything. But yes, I am back with a very new video, and this is all about it. How can you lift and sculpt your face? How can you have a glow on your face? So I am here with a very new video, and this is not about any skincare. This is only about two magic things that you can use to get a lifted face, to get a glow on your face. So if you want to know the two basic things that I will use in this video, so for that watch the full video. And yes, if you like today's video, then hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, also click the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Now let's get started. So we'll be using Jade roller and gua sha. So this looks something like this, and this is a holy grail for the people who want lifted face, who want a glow on their face. So yes, you should have this gua sha and Jade roller. So now पहले ये पता कर लेते हैं कि ये असली है या नकली. अगर आप इसको अपने फेस पे ऐसे रख रहे हो and it completely feels so cold, तो समझ लो that it is असली. और अगर नहीं फील होता है तो मे बी इट इज़ नकली, बिकॉज अब तो लाइक बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स आ गए हैं हु आर गिविंग दिस, बट कुछ ब्रांड्स ही होते हैं हु प्रोवाइड यू द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट. So this is the Jade roller and this is gua sha. So firstly we'll talk about the benefits and the uses of how to use both the products. So the Jade roller is used to have a glow on your face, to remove puffiness and to make your face more glowy, and like what can I say, it will make your face just so good if you use it regularly, मतलब दिन में 2 बार. And gua sha is used to lift your face, to make your face more lifted, to give a defined look to your face, reduce your double chins and everything, improves your blood circulation. So दोनों के अपने अपने benefits है. So it's better that you buy both the things. आपको single भी मिलते हैं, but the good brands they give you both the items. So अब आपको ये करना कैसे, whether you can use a moisturizer to do this, or you can use a facial oil. Basically I am a person who used to have oily skin before, but now it has turned into dry skin by using the medicated products, as I was suffering from acne. That is why. And अगर आपको भी facial oils या कोई भी oil face पे सूट नहीं करता है तो आप मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड इफ़ यू आर गुड विथ यूजिंग फेशियल ऑयल्स देन यू कैन गो विथ फेशियल ऑयल्स. नाउ आई हैव बिकम अ person with dry skin, so like I can also use facial oils, but I skip doing it, so because बहुत बार oils आपके pores को clog कर देते हैं. इसीलिए it's better that you use moisturizer, because moisturizer is something that everyone uses. So here I am going to use this Cetaphil moisturizer today to show you that how can you use gua sha and Jade roller to make your face more lifted and glowing. So let's start with the main part of the video. Let's apply this. You have to be very sure that you are not wearing any makeup in your face. Make sure you apply a good amount of facial oil or a moisturizer. That's it. Let's start. So firstly we will be using Jade roller, as Jade roller पहले use करना चाहिए. We'll be starting from our neck area. You just see that how I am doing, because बोलने से ज़्यादा देखने में समझ आता है. So let's start. Use your finger and just stretch your skin. Stretching your skin will help you in reducing the wrinkles that have come up in your forehead or here in this area. If you want to see the difference on both the sides, what I'll do is, I have an idea that I'll use the Jade roller and gua sha only this side of the face, and then you'll see that this side is more lifted than that of this side. Then you can understand that what is the actual benefit of using both the items. This is for massaging the whole face, and this side, the smaller side, is for reducing the puffiness in your eyes. So we'll do the eye part at the end. Firstly, we'll focus on the face area. Make sure you use your gua sha on the, like what can I say, on the upper motion. Now we will be using gua sha. So the gua sha is here. What we will do is we will use gua sha something like tilted kind of in a way. So just hold your gua sha like this and just stretch your skin. Do this. Apply little bit of pressure and just pull your skin on the upper side. Just like this. Now this part will help to reduce your double chin, the muscles there in your double chin. Just like this, see. Now you need to use this part over here. Now you need to again use this part here from this nose area and just pull your skin this side. This will help to get that apple of your cheeks, as it will help that perfect glow on your face and that lifted cheekbones over here. Now again from this part, fix your eyebrows here and then just pull it this way and then put it downward. You can see the difference. This face is quite lifted from this side of the face, and this face is something so good looking from this side of your face. If you're going for a party or a function and your face is just so puffy, your eyes is so puffy, then you can definitely use gua sha and jade roller to get rid of that puffiness. So this was all about my today's video. If you like today's video, then yes, do hit the subscribe button, do like and share this video and help your friends to get glowing and lifted face. Now I am running out of time. We'll meet you in the next video and tab tak ke liye bye bye.